Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport transmission hard shift issue and outlines situations where gear changes may feel firm, delayed, or less smooth than expected during driving. Hard shifting in the EcoSport can vary by model year, transmission type, mileage, and driving conditions, and the issue may not be present in every vehicle. In documented technical information covering different EcoSport variants, hard shifting can occur when the transmission control system does not manage gear engagement smoothly. This may be noticed during acceleration, deceleration, or low-speed driving, and behavior can differ between cold starts and fully warmed operation depending on configuration and usage. Potential contributing factors that are commonly identified include transmission fluid condition or level irregularities, adaptive shift logic behavior, where related changes in internal components over time, or communication inconsistencies between transmission sensors and the control module. In some cases, calibration or software-related characteristics may influence shift firmness, particularly as the vehicle adapts to driving patterns. These factors are not universal and can vary by model year and transmission design. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve checking transmission fluid condition where applicable, verifying that software updates or calibrations are current, and inspecting related components for age or wear. These steps are general guidance and do not guarantee resolution for every EcoSport. In summary, transmission hard shifting in the Ford EcoSport can result from a combination of fluid, control, or mechanical factors, and accurate diagnosis depends on the specific vehicle configuration and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.